Welcome to my next Java video. In this video I will show how to declare and initialize variables. So declaring and initializing variables are important in Java. So the way you declare a variable, say you want an integer, you would do int, then you can do that. However, if you try to print this, it will bring up an error because it doesn't know what num is, and it tells you to initialize the variable. And so you initialize the variable, just say 0, and then the error goes away. Run the program and it prints out 0. Now you can initialize and declare variables multiple ways. So you can do this. You can do this individually, like that. Or you can put them all in one line. Like so. But you still have to initialize them, however you do that. And then print this out. It prints the numbers you initialize, these two. And so then, like for a double, you just do double character, you put in char. Now string is not already in the system, but you can make string like that and initialize it to whatever you want. And it prints out as such. And so like you can put your declarations all up, kind of blocked together, or you can initialize them as you use the variables throughout your program. So say like you want to add num1, num2, num3. So you could put result up here if you wanted. Give me a second to figure out how I want to print this. So like you can do it like this, As you see, you don't have to initialize result because result will be whatever the result of the numbers you give it are. And so like you can declare result within the rest of the integers like that, or you can initialize it as you get to the variable like that, and it still works the same. Now you only need to do these things once as well. So like if you try doing this, it will read an error on the second one because you cannot have a duplicate. It'll error for having a duplicate variable. So you only need to declare variables once. And so with that, I believe is it for this video. I want to thank anyone who has watched to this point for watching. If you have watched, please feel free to subscribe to my channel and like if you liked the video. Thank you.